In this video, we have given alpha beta such that alpha minus beta is greater than pi and less than 3 pi, and sine alpha plus sine beta is equal to minus 21 by 65, and cos alpha plus cos beta is equal to minus 27 by 65. Then we have to find the value of cos alpha minus beta by 2. So we have given alpha minus beta is less than 3 pi and greater than pi. So alpha minus beta by 2, it will be less than 3 pi by 2 and greater than pi by 2, and hence cos alpha minus beta by 2, it will be negative. And we have given sine alpha plus sine beta is equal to minus 21 by 65, and also cos alpha plus cos beta is equal to minus 27 by 65, and sine alpha plus sine beta is equal to 2 times sine alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2, that is equal to minus 21 by 65, and cos alpha plus cos beta is equal to 2 times cos alpha plus beta by 2 into cos alpha minus beta by 2, that is equal to minus 27 by 65. Suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. And if we square and add equation 1 and equation 2, equation 1 square plus equation 2 square, then equation 1 square will be 4 sine square alpha plus beta by 2 cos square alpha minus beta by 2 plus, and equation 2 square will be 4 times cos square alpha plus beta by 2 into cos square alpha minus beta by 2, and in the right hand side we will get minus 21 by 65 square plus minus 27 by 65 square, and we can take 4 cos square alpha minus beta by 2 common, and we will get sine square alpha plus beta by 2 plus cos square alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to, and 21 square is 441 plus 27 square is 729 by 65 square, and it is 4 cos square alpha minus beta by 2 and sine square alpha plus beta by 2 plus cos square alpha plus beta by 2, it will be equal to 1, that is equal to 1 plus 9 is 10, and 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7, and 4 plus 7 is 11 by 65 square is 65 times 65, and 5 times 13 is 65, and 5 times 234 is 1170, and 13 times 18 is 234. So it is 4 cos square alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to 18 by 65, and 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 9 is 18, So it will be equal to cos square alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to 9 by 2 times 65 is 130, or it is cos alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to minus square root of 9 by 130, because we know that cos alpha minus beta by 2 is negative, and it is cos alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to minus, and square root of 9 is 3 by square root of 130. It is minus 3 by root 130.